Welcome back to the checkout guide. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set up weight-based charges in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Go to your Shopify account, click on Shopify settings, go to shipping and delivery, click on general shipping rates. Scroll down, there is an option of shipping zones. Now we will add rate here. Click on add rate, give it a custom rate name as standard delivery and price will be 50. Click on add conditional pricing based on item weight. Minimum weight will be 0 and maximum weight will be 2 kg. Click on done. Save your changes. Now we will add another rate as a express delivery. Price will be 100. Click on add conditional pricing based on item weight. Minimum weight will be 3 to maximum weight no limit. Click on done. Save your changes. Now I have already added weight in the products. If you want to add weight, then click on products. Then you can select any of the product and you can add the weight of the product. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to catalog. You can add any product to your cart in between the weight of 0 to 2 kg and proceed to checkout. Enter full address. This product is in between 0 to 2 kg. So here you can see standard delivery of 50 is visible. Now we will add product to the cart for more than 3 kg. Enter the full address. So here you can see express delivery is visible because this product is for more than 3 kg. So that's it. You have successfully set up weight-based charges in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.